Next step is you place your hands over the thymus gland, the activator of the immune system. We all know that the immune system boosts our energy and our life force. And so we want to meditate on the 5 essences that boost the prana, that boost the immune system. So pumping the thymus gland helps to release all that tension and all that stress. And I invite you to do that for yourself as well. And so in the seated version, we're going to do 10 to 20 round opening, round circles of the upper traps. We are now relaxed her upper back and shoulder tension, and we're going to go right into the scalp formula. Palms are very important to use and hold flat onto the body. And now we begin a nice shampoo, a faster shampoo. And point number 1 is going to go 5 slow and round downward circles. The brain is beginning to shut down. The breath becomes deeper. A person is going deep into their Shavasana. This is a preparation for Shavasana like no other. It allows you to go into that trance-like state. It's wonderful before Yoga Nidra so that that yogic sleep can occur. We become what we think, we become what we eat, we become what we believe. And so we have to understand that there is 3 natures of the mind. Point 5 is across that forehead, opening the third eye to the crown. We're covering the ear so the sound, she's entering into that sacred space. We cover the other ear and just take 3 deep breaths as we gently move her head back to center. And you can tie the hair up. And now she's really ready to go into Shavasana.